In this recording, in our series of creating geometries, we'll talk about chain geometries. And this is the first part of chain geometries. As I had mentioned before, chain geometries is used for creating a boundary to work within it or to work alongside that particular geometry. And our chain geometries in 2.5D are used in profile operations, pocket, chamfer. Those are some of the places that we use the chain geometries. Let's first take a look at the chain geometry, and I'll use the profile operation as an example. If we look in our profile operation and just go to create a geometry, you'll see that our chain geometry has several different options for creating a chain geometry. First, we have over here is our chain list. When we create a geometry, it can be created from one or more chains, and the list of those chains will be listed over here. As we create our geometries, I'll also explain these icons that are around it. Next, we have enabled chain direction suggestions, which will give you hints as to which direction you want to take your chain to. We also have an option to show chain on work plane. If our work plane is on top, but we're picking a geometry from a different part of the model, you'll also see that chain at the very top of the part. Then we have the actual creation of the chain geometry. For creating a geometry, we have options such as picking curves, picking curve plus closed corners, picking a loop, point to point, and arc by points. Let's first talk about the option of curve. Now in curve, we have the option called Smart Face, where Smart Face, by touching a specific face, it'll pick up all the relevant geometries that are on that face. And we'll show that in a moment. I like to disable that for a moment, and then we'll go into our next options. Now, by default, you'll get the program where it says tangent propagation, constant Z. Those two options are what most often used together when we're having a chain around the part. If I were to click on an edge, you'll see